Hello, this is Jammal Adio Anibaba. Today I'm going to take you guys through the journey of interpreting a Yoruba talking drum in the Juju high life music genre. The song I picked is played by the great Ebenezer. Is the leader of the band, and the leading drummer in this is Mutiu Kekere Jimo. The song is called Life for Takwe, and it goes, the rest of the sentence, Temi Adara, Tino Asunwo. The drum in this ensemble is the hourglass drum. It's the hourglass drum. It's this one, not the Ormusha one. So it's gonna go like this. I'm gonna try and pick it up because the song is a little bit long. And then if I get to a critical point where we need to break stuff down, I'll break it down for you guys. But let's go for it. Ènìyàn ló bínú Ọlọ́run ò bínú Ọlọ́run ò ṣe bí ire ní ṣe. Wọ́n bínú ìsìnkú bínú bínú. Kẹ́ni má ní àbínú ẹ̀yìn ẹnìkan ò ní ṣe ẹ́, ìrẹ́ náà ló para rẹ̀. Tanúkú ní jẹ̀bọ, ìran àkàlà ní jòkú, ìran bàbá mi ìlú nílù. Àwọn ọ̀tá bínú, kò dára. Ìwà ìtara pẹ̀lú inú ìgbèlú, ó lè dá nǹkan kan. Ó sẹ́ni o, kò burú ṣó dà bẹ́ẹ̀. kò burú. Tó ń ṣègbàjẹ́ fọ́ọ̀mù ẹnìkejì rẹ ṣó dà bẹ́ẹ̀ kò burú. That's where Obey used to cut them off when he wants to move on. Transitional string. Obey used that a lot to transition. He's facing them. When you don't go, you want that fast, okay, I'm on. Many toku, come and get it. Ní àtẹnìkejì, àtẹnìkẹta, àtẹnìkẹrin, ẹjẹ́ ń ṣe tèmi, ẹ̀yin abínú ẹni, ẹjẹ́ ń ṣe tèmi, nígbà tẹ́ ń ṣe tiyín, ẹ ò rí mi níbẹ̀, ẹjẹ́ ń ṣe tèmi. I'm happy ready me.
Alhaji mi Yusuf Salami mi o. Ọmọdé báyọ̀ mi àjàṣà tó di ilé ọlọ́lá. Àyànfẹ́ mi. Ọkọ̀ alájà Amúdàlátù. Ọkọ̀ alájà Ṣàkíyèsí. Àyànfẹ́ Rọmọdọ́lá. Sẹ̀rùmí mi o. Sẹ̀rùmí di kàkà di kúkú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló di kàkà lógún. Sàrùmí dé, eégún ní ìgbẹ́ dé. Sàrùmí dé, odile onítẹ̀mí o. Chairman Ayu Salam group of companies tó fojú owó.
Ìjọba Abu Salam soccer team.
Ọmọ olóyè ni ẹ bá mi fi aláàjì Abu Salami pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ọmọ Adébáyọ̀.
The drum is gonna come in now. He's setting it. He's gonna jump in. Ojú ló mọ ohun tó yóò nú, bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ wí, bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ sọ. Ojú ló mọ ohun tó yóò nú. Even if they don't acknowledge you, if they don't acknowledge your prosperity, the people that know. Sélèkè, ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ sélèkè, sélèkè, ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ sélèkè, Seleke. Ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ seleke. So this is where I told you guys, one of the main things you need to know for you to be able to do good job on interpreting talking drum, Yoruba talking drums. You need to know the lingos of the era or the slangs of that particular era. In this case, seleke. Ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ seleke. Seleke. Ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ seleke is a lingo that socialites used in the 1970s in Lagos musical scene, Yoruba musical scene. And it just meant keep it rolling. Seleke. Ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ seleke. When they're in the rhythm, now in the rhythm of having fun, let's just keep rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Seleke. Ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ seleke. Because Lagos is a cosmopolitan and all kind of culture comes in and hit, and they just pick, they'll pick a word, it could be a foreign word, it could be something, and they put a twist on it. But this one, seleke. Ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ seleke. Seleke. Ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ seleke. 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 Ẹ̀rìnmọ̀ 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 seleke. Now Obe said it is now. Transitional string comes in. So here the drummer is gonna come in and he's gonna say, "My jagun bemo, omo baki jagun bi eru." Don't fight like a slave. You are from the royal family. You gotta fight methodically. And as the drummer is beating that, "My jagun bemo, omo baki jagun bi eru." Actually, the string and the string is saying down, 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 down. The drummer is going to start inserting the name of the band members. And he started with Ebenezer Obey, the leader of the band. And then he will start slotting the names in there one by one. So here we go. Ebenezer, so he's slotting the name in. Ayọ̀délé, Ìtú kékeré, now he slot his own name in. Májàdùn bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Arigidi májàdùn bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́, he slot Arigidi's name in. Monday John, májàdùn bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́, he slot in Monday John's name. Májàdùn bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. And then don't let Obey know when he's done with his name calling. lẹ́dìyẹ ń ṣe, lẹ́dìyẹ fẹsẹ̀ wọn lẹ̀, ire ló ń wá, ire lẹ́dìyẹ ń ṣe. Ire lẹ́dìyẹ ṣe, lẹ́dìyẹ fẹsẹ̀ wọn lẹ̀, ire ló ń wá, is looking for good tidings. When the chicken is crawling on the ground, and you get ready to say, ire ló ń wá, ire lẹ́dìyẹ ń ṣe, is looking for tidings, for some goodies. Ẹ̀yin abínú ẹni. All this hard work we're doing, we're looking for good tidings. We're not just fooling around. Ẹ̀sìn ní ariwo, ẹ̀yin sọ̀nsọ̀kúsọ onítorí sálámì o. It's fooling lónìí kàkàlógún, ọmọ fooling lórí ẹ̀ when going to the war. Back to Kuburu. That's the theme of this one. Babe, Kuburu. Ìwọ tó ń ṣèbàjẹ́ fọ́ọ̀mù ẹnì kejì rẹ ṣó dà bẹ́ẹ̀. Kuburu. Lórí ejò kò ṣe ṣan ọmọ yan. The venom, small head of a snake is not something you eat in your staple meal. Bí kò jẹ́ ojú kípa gbogbo. That line, bí kò dẹ̀. Òjò kì í pa gbogbo, òdẹ is odídẹrẹ́. And it goes also by another name, it's a bird. It also goes by another name. Ayé kò tọ́. It's always have a red feather in the lower back, its lower back. When it rains really hard, his wing is still able to cover all portion of it. So in Yoruba literary corpus, aluko, which is another bird, is hating on the parrot and wishing parrot's red coloring in his lower back get wet. So Yoruba says, you're just hating. Ìrùdí kò dídẹrẹ́, òjò kì í pa completely. Òjò kì í pa gbogbo completely. Kàkà òjò pa, it will even make it more beautiful after the rainstorm pass by. Ìrùdí kò dẹ̀, òjò kì í pa gbogbo. Ìrùdí kò dídẹrẹ́, òjò kì í pa gbogbo. Ṣẹ́gun ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ṣẹ́gun ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Ẹ̀tọ́ ń retí àti sún akàn, àgbẹ̀ létí ìṣá. Yóò pẹ́ létí omi. Àbínú ẹni yóò pẹ́ létí omi. Ẹni tó ń retí àti sún akàn yóò pẹ́ létí omi. So the drum now is doing parallelism with the lyrics. The lyrics is saying, whoever is hating on us and is hating on the crab would spend all night at the shore, not able to catch the crab because you just think you could really nail it before you could get close. They gone to the hole. So then the drummer too came back. Yóò pẹ́ létí omi, ẹni tó ń retí àti sùn akàn. Yóò pẹ́ létí omi. Sometimes they say ẹni tó ń retí ìṣẹ́jú akàn, meaning to start dozing off. That person is going to be on the shore for all night long. gbọ́dọ̀ pa fínáfíná ikú tí ò ní pa lágbẹ̀dẹ kò gbọ́dọ̀ pa fíná 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 fíná. why tó yẹ pé ikú tí ò ní pa lágbẹ̀dẹ kò lè pa fínáfíná? The blacksmith, the fire, the duration of extended hanging around the fire that hasn't killed the blacksmith, he's not going to kill the apprentice. That all he's doing is just pressing on the pedal to blow air into the fire to make it to keep kindling. Apprentice is there probably partially, but the blacksmith itself is right there in front of the hot iron ore. So why you complaining like, oh, I think I will die? No, ikú tí ò ní pa lágbẹ̀dẹ kò lè pa fínáfíná. It's all blessings.
Lórí ejò kò ṣe ṣan ọmọ yan. Lórí ejò kò ṣe ṣan ọmọ yan. Bí kò dídẹrẹ́ òjò kípa gbogbo. Bí kò dídẹrẹ́ òjò kípa gbogbo. Ṣé gbọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi? Ṣé gbọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi? Ẹ̀dá tó retí àti sọ̀kan abẹ́lé ti ìṣá.
Ìṣá is short, or the water bed. Lóyún bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ wí bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ sọ ojú ló mọ ohun tó jójú. Nínú ẹ̀yìn ìdùnnú tó lóyún bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ wí bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ sọ ojú ló mọ ohun tó jójú.
Orí mi máa jẹ́ ìyá mi sáyé lọ.
Olórí àdúrà.
Olúwa ni má jẹ́ fìyà mi sáyé lọ, ilé ayé ti ìrọ̀ládùn. Orí mi má jẹ́ fìyà mi sáyé lọ. Ayé ilé, Olúwa má gbà fìtílà mi lọ́wọ́ mi. Ayé ilé o, Olúwa má gbà fìtílà mi.
So that I can see. Yóò bá fọ ẹsẹ̀ oníṣìnà. Bójú ò bá fọ ẹsẹ̀ oníṣìnà.
Mi lọ́wọ́ mi.
Ọlọ́run má gba fìtílà mi lọ́wọ́ mi. Bójú ò bá fọ ẹsẹ̀ oníṣìnà. Olúwa má gba fìtílà mi lọ́wọ́ mi. So I can see where I'm going. If you can see clearly, you won't misstep. It's not literally saying visually, but it's saying if you are cognitively all together and you do the right, you know the right from wrong, you will hardly misstep.
Èyí ó ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ mi ọjọ́ ń lọ. Ilé o, èyí ó ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ mi ọjọ́ ń lọ. Èyí tó bá ṣe ìyẹn là ó ròyìn. Èyí ó ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ mi ọjọ́ ń lọ.
Ikú tí ò ní pa alágbẹ̀dẹ. He went back to that drum again. Ijó bombs, ijó bombs, ijó bombs, ijó tuntun tó gbòde. So culture always bump into other cultures and influence that. So now he's singing about ijó bumps. When people, the bumps, it influence. Now you can see the international influence. People bring that back from boy when the ijó bumps, the bump dance from the West. So it caught on in Lagos, Nigeria in the 70s. So people start dancing it at the party too, at the nightclubs. So ijó bumps. Ijó bumps. Ijó bumps. Ijó bumps. Ijó tuntun tó gbòde. Ọmọge wájó. Wájó. Àgbàlagbà ijó ti yá. Ijó bumps. Ijó tuntun tó gbòde ni. Kẹ̀kẹ́ ni. Kàyàkàyà ni. Ìdíkòdí ni. Kojúkojú ni. Ọ̀nà tó bá wù ẹ́ kó gbé tí ẹ gbà. Ọ̀nà tó bá wù mí má gbé tèmi gbà. Ijó bọ̀m, ijó bọ̀m, ijó bọ̀m, ijó tuntun tó gbòde. Ijó bọ̀m, ijó bọ̀m, ijó bọ̀m, ijó tuntun tó gbòde. Yàtọ̀ sí Miliki sílẹ̀. Miliki series. Ijó tuntun ló gbòde. Ìwọ kẹ́ o. Kémi kẹ́ o kájọ kẹ́ bá ń kẹ́. Kẹ́ bá ń kẹ́. Ìwọ kẹ́ o kémi kẹ́ o kájọ kẹ́ bá ń kẹ́. Kẹ́ bá ń kẹ́. Ìwọ kẹ́ o kémi kẹ́ o kájọ kẹ́ bá ń kẹ́. That's Ebenezer Obey for you. Good product, good music, good messaging, and Mutiu Kekere Jammal was awesome. Ebenezer Obey is still with us, but the lead drummer Mutiu Kekere Jammal has passed. May the Almighty be pleased with him. You guys don't forget, do good. Stay culturally fit. Be a generous Yoruba man. Remain blessed. And above all, be a generous humanity.